Are you looking? With outdoor adventures on the rise, the demand for portable camping toilets has surged, especially among campers, van lifers, festival goers, and off-grid enthusiasts. Today's top models offer surprising comfort, cleanliness, and convenience without compromising portability. In this guide, we evaluate the best portable camping toilets based on design, build quality, waste disposal systems, comfort, and overall value, helping you make an informed decision for your next trip. List 1. Kohree 5.8 gal portable toilet for adults. The Kohree 5.8 gallon portable toilet is a rugged and reliable choice for campers who value durability and sanitation. It features a large 5.8 gallon waste tank and a 3.2 gallon freshwater tank, providing up to 90 flushes, more than enough for a weekend camping trip. The leak-proof design, sealed valve, and high-density polyethylene construction ensure odors and spills are kept at bay. Its detachable tank makes emptying and cleaning a breeze, and the rotating pour spout adds to its user-friendliness. The built-in piston pump flush mimics a real toilet, offering maximum comfort even in remote locations. Whether you're traveling in an RV or setting up base camp, the Kohree is a top-tier option for hassle-free outdoor sanitation. List 2. Sckee camping toilet. Portable toilet with lid and paper holder. Compact, foldable, and incredibly space-saving. The Sckee camping toilet is ideal for car campers, tent users, or anyone needing an emergency toilet solution. Its innovative design includes a sturdy seat, flip lid, and even a built-in toilet paper holder for added convenience. This toilet folds flat for storage and sets up in seconds, thanks to its durable ABS plastic structure. While it doesn't include a built-in waste tank, it's designed to be used with 6 to 8 gallon bags, making cleanup effortless. Weighing only a few pounds, it's lightweight yet stable enough for adult use. If you're looking for portability over luxury, the Sckee is an unbeatable value in the compact category. List number TRIPTIPS 2025 New Upgrade Retractable Portable Toilet. TRIPTIPS 2025 New Upgrade Retractable Toilet is all about adjustability and comfort. This foldable design extends up to 19 inches and features the soft cushioned seat, a game changer for long road trips and camping sessions. Unlike many compact toilets, the adjustable height accommodates both kids and adults with ease. Built with heavy-duty ABS plastic, it supports up to 400 pounds and folds down to just 4 inches in height for storage. Its telescopic structure locks firmly, giving users peace of mind. The toilet can be used with 8-gallon disposable bags for simple cleanup. It's ideal for those who want a mix of portability, comfort, and modern design. List number TRIPTIPS Upgrade Retractable Portable Toilet, Travel Toilet. Another solid entry from TRIPTIPS. This earlier upgrade model also features a retractable design with adjustable height, but skips the cushion seat in favor of a minimalist, sturdy structure. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this toilet is compact enough for car trunks, yet tall enough to be used comfortably by adults. It's made from premium PP plastic, supports up to 400 pounds, and offers a locking telescoping mechanism. Use it with 6 to 8 gallon bags for easy waste disposal. Perfect for campers, festival goers, and even emergencies at home. This is a well-rounded option with excellent portability and solid user reviews. List number: Portable Toilet Bags Drawstring 8-gallon Leak-Proof Waste Bags. No camping toilet is complete without the right bags, and these 8-gallon drawstring toilet bags are a must-have for clean, odor-free disposal. Made of thickened, leak-proof material, they're compatible with most portable toilets, including Sckee and TRIPTIPS. The drawstring closure makes them easy to tie up and dispose of hygienically. Biodegradable options are often available, making them eco-friendly as well. Each pack contains multiple bags, perfect for extended trips. These bags ensure a mess-free camping experience, especially when paired with toilets lacking built-in waste tanks.